Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable cash on delivery in Odoo. So it's a COD. So the cash on delivery or COD lets customers pay in cash when the order is delivered instead of paying online. So it's commonly used for local deliveries, first time customers, markets with low card usage. So to enable that, you will need at first to go to the website, model, or app. And then you will need to navigate with your cursor into the configuration. Okay, so it's on the top bar. And here you will need to go with the payment providers. So here you will need to look for the cash on delivery, the COD, or manual payment method. So it's that one. So just click on it and then go with enabled. Okay, so if it's disabled, go with enabled, not the test mode. The test mode is only if you want to test it for a bit, right? So enable it and then configure the COD settings. Okay, so that's the configuration. So set the payments method name, the cash on delivery, the instructions shown to customers, the optional COD fee like extra delivery charge. For example, the instruction like pay the delivery person in cash when you order or your order arrives, right? And once finished, just go ahead and click on Save Manually. So the changes will be saved to your store, right? So actually, guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.